Hi friends! Today is STEAM Monday. Remember, STEAM is all about science, technology, engineering, art, and math. Today, we are going to continue our exploration of magnets. Our question of the day today was, do you think that paper is magnetic? I wonder. Let's find out. I have our magnet here today that we used last week when learning all about magnets. I have a piece of paper, just a plain piece of notebook paper. If our paper is magnetic, when we touch it with the magnet, it will pick it up. Let's see if that happens. Let's count it down. 1, 2, 3. Doesn't work on that side. Let's turn it over and give it another try. Our magnet isn't sticking to our paper. Our paper must not be magnetic. If you said, no, paper is not magnetic, you got it. Nice work, scientist. Well, I wonder why paper is not magnetic. Remember last week we learned that magnets are a special kind of metal that stick to other metals. So I have some things here that we played with last week. I have our ring to our lid, to our jar. It's made of metal. It sticks. It's magnetic. I have a clip here that we might use to hold our artwork to the easel. Let's see if it's magnetic. It sticks. It is magnetic. It's also made of metal. And I have some scissors here that we might use for cutting paper. Scissors were tricky, remember, because one side is made of plastic. Magnets don't stick to plastic, do they? No, they don't. The other end sticks to our magnet because the blades are made of, that's right, metal. You've got it. I've got one more new tool here today. This is a tool you might use if you were being an engineer and building something, or you might have one of these at home in a toolbox or a drawer, just some tools that mom or dad or grandma or TT or papa might use when they're fixing something. This is a special kind of tool called a wrench, and it's kind of heavy, and it is made of metal. It sticks to our magnet. And I brought this magnet or this wrench today because I want to share with you a new kind of magnet. I brought an electromagnet to school today. That's a really big word. Let's clap that word. Get your clapping hands ready. Here we go. Electromagnet. Wow, I wonder how many sounds are in that word. Let's try. Electromagnet. Ooh, that was a long word. It had 5 sounds. Wow. Thumbs up to you for trying to say it. All right, are you ready to see it? Here we go. Let's take a peek at our electromagnet. Want to put in the video. I know why. I gotta turn on our other camera. That's why. Now, in our video. There we go. Sorry, friends. Hi again. All right, I'm gonna turn our camera around, and I'm gonna show you right over here. This is an electromagnet. This circle here in the middle is the magnet itself. It is made of that special kind of metal that attracts other metals. So I have our wrench here today. Sorry, that was a big noise. And I'm gonna try and stick it. Remember, it stuck to our other magnet, but it is not, let's just move this over, sticking to this magnet right now. That's because an electromagnet is a special kind of magnet that needs electricity or needs to be plugged in or have batteries to work. So we have a switch over here on the side of the box. We're going to turn on our magnet. And now let's try that wrench again. Oh, did you hear it? It pulled it right out of my hand. Oh my goodness. And I can't even pull it off. Wow. That magnet is a very strong kind of magnet. Let's turn it off. No longer has any power. So now I can take the wrench off right away very easily. Okay. I also brought with me today something to play with a little bit. I'm going to set our camera right here. And I'm going to get our other tray out and show you what I have. In our tray, I have some little silver balls. These are called ball bearings. These are made of metal. And you see right now how they can roll around free on our tray? We're going to put our tray on the magnet, and we're going to find out what happens with our metal balls on the magnet. Now we know that metal sticks to magnets, right? Let's try this here. Maybe you can see a little better. All right, so our magnets, or our balls, are able to roll around free wherever they want to go, just like that. Now let's see what happens when the magnet gets turned on. I'm going to pull them all over to the side, and I'm going to let them go to roll. They're able to roll wherever they want to. Now we can stack them. They can stick together on top of the magnet. We might be able to just make a whole circle with our ball bearings right here. See if we can find that whole circle of the magnet. There we go. Make a circle with them. They all stay there. Now when the magnet goes off, they can roll around free again, right? Wherever they choose to go. When the magnet goes on, they jump out onto the magnet. They stick. Magnet goes off, roll around. Magnet on. Left. All right, so I wonder what would happen if we were to stand our magnets, our ball bearings up. I wonder what would happen. Let's see. Get our camera situated right. What happened to Our ball bearings, they're still standing, aren't they? They're still stuck to that magnet. What do you think might happen if we turn off the magnet while it's standing up like that, while they're stuck to the side? That's a good idea. I wonder why that might happen. Let's find out. What happened? They aren't stuck to the board anymore. They won't stay. Now they just roll right off. Isn't on, is it? An electromagnet is a special kind of magnet that's used in different machines and needs electricity to work. Wow, you guys did a great job being scientists with me today. Say, I am a brilliant scientist. Say, I can talk about magnets. Say, I know a magnet is a special kind of metal that sticks to other metals. Until next week, great job, you guys. I'll see you on Zoom.